So the more money, what changed Siyabonga? And I still say, if Siyabonga never got that contract, I'm sorry to my husband. I love my husband. I would still be with Siyabonga today. I love my husband. I'm not disrespecting him in any way, but I would still be with him because he would still be that humble, loving, caring person I know. I lost the person that actually cry. Why do I want to cry? I lost somebody I thought, you know what? We're gonna do this together. We're gonna fight together. But when he got that contract, so many things, so many bad things happened. One, obviously, it was more money, you know? I meant nothing. We had a person who would take my car and go gallivant with his friends. Kumnandi man, hey, the kills and whatever. Crashed my car, leaves my car in the streets. Don't worry, we'll get another one. But he's nowhere to be found.
Mina understand doctor wayangafuna ukuxolela. I understand. That's why we favorite layer.
But ngiyangimxoxe.
So azange yafuna ukwenza izinto ezirayight kunini bamnika ama chance, bambiza bayenzani. So we understand
we favorite. Yeah,
yes. Yeah, Siyabonga was the favorite. Yeah, I know. Mxolela mntana. Phela uDok ushadile no.
Yeah.
uDok manje unezinto zakhe, untanga. As ama-level awasafani.
Sure.
Anyeke usuka le ubuye manje. Uzamile that I know. Yena bekuyi-favorite. Naye uDok ngambuza uzokutshela.
No, mina bengikhuluma.
Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to comment, like, share and of course do subscribe. So an old clip of Gogo Maweni on a show called Sitting with a Stan is currently doing its round there on TikTok. Now you guys, Gogo Maweni was taken to the show by Siyabonga Zulu's family because they wanted her to forgive her former baby daddy Siyabonga Zulu, you guys, because his life is reportedly a mess, and Gogo Maweni once claimed that she is the one responsible. Maweni said that she dealt with him the African way. She said that umtakatile, and she revealed that she will never forgive him, you guys. Now Maweni revealed that she really loved Siyabonga, and she revealed that had Siyabonga Zulu never gotten that life-changing soccer contract, then she probably would still be with him because he was humble and a loving man before he became rich and popular, you guys. So Maweni broke down as she talked about how much she loved Siyabonga, and you could tell that she still has feelings for him, and she said that she thought they were going to be together forever, you guys. Now people were shocked there on TikTok under the comment section to see Maweni breaking down because she is a married woman now, and they felt like she was being disrespectful to her husband Sabelo, you guys. And they said that clearly Sabelo was or is Gogo Maweni's rebound husband, you guys, that she does not love him the way she loves Siyabonga Zulu, you guys. So what are your thoughts about this whole situation? Please do share them with me in the comment section. Like, share, and of course do subscribe or follow the page. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.